let's make some peanut butter cups. Starting off, we're going to do the filling, which is 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. You're going to take all those ingredients, mix them all up until you have your nice mixture of peanut butter. Next, after I've mixed all of that up, the plan is to shape that into a little disc or a cookie shape or a puck so that you can put it in the filling of your peanut butter cup. I rolled it up into some foil, tried to freeze it. It was taking a little too long, so then I rolled it back out and just used a cookie cutter on a flat sheet. Then I took all of those flat pieces, put them back in the freezer to prep them ready to go. Next, chopped up a bunch of chocolate, threw it in a double boiler, melted it, set up my cupcake trays so that I could fill it in with the bottom chocolate first. Side note, didn't technically use the right amount of chocolate. I tried to get away with using a little bit less, but if you follow the recipe properly, then it'll be perfectly fine. Then I took my peanut butter filling from the freezer, placed it on top. After the chocolate settled, which I threw it in the freezer for a minute too, just so you know. Then I chopped up the top half of the chocolate, double boiled that, poured that on top, let that sit for a minute, threw it back in the freezer for a quick minute, and here you go. You have a nice peanut butter cup. They're fun, easy, and they were good. So I encourage you to make them. This is a recipe. If you like this recipe, actually, I have other ones in a book called Dish. It's available for purchase on Amazon if you would like to support me. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.